Hey guys, this is SweetZivile. Let me share with you my spaghetti squash with chicken recipe. I'm starting with 2 squashes. Cut them in half and scoop the seeds out. You can save them for roasting. I'll put the link below for my Zata roasted pumpkin seeds. Use the same recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Brush each half with some olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper. Put on a baking sheet, cut side down, and put in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes until edges starts to brown a little bit. Take out and fluff each side with a fork. Cut the bacon in cubes. Mince some garlic, around 2 tablespoons or up to your taste. Chicken into cubes. So I have here everything ready: cube bacon, parmesan, cube chicken, cream, tomato paste, garlic and sriracha for some nice heat. Let's go to cooking. Fry bacon until almost crisp. Add chicken and leave for 3 to 4 minutes, not touching, so you would get a nice char. I am using a cast iron pan, which is the best for it. Add some salt, pepper, chili flakes, lemon pepper, basil, garlic, tomato paste, sriracha, and cream, which you actually can substitute for coconut milk or coconut cream. Add half of parmesan. Our chicken should be ready by now. Add chicken to the squash halves. Sprinkle with some parmesan and fresh parsley. Cook at 400 Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Our dinner is ready. Let's get to the table. Enjoy!